Meaning of Cold War. Different opinions for reconstruction. Second World War ended with huge destruction in the world. But at the same time, America and Russia were emerged as two superpowers. With the issue of reconstruction, they had different opinions. America believed in capitalism and democracy. It wanted to keep away the world from communism. However, Russia believed in communism and wanted to spread communism all over the world. Meaning of Cold War. Due to this, there was tense condition between America and Russia called as Cold War. Due to this, there were differences in philosophy, political distrust, strategies against each other, competition in weapons, spying over each other, poisonous thoughts published in media. Meanings given by elites. The word Cold War was first used by American diplomat Bernard Baruch to explain the tense situation in the world. Professor Walter Lippmann said, "The Cold War is the conflict between Western power and Soviet Russia." He also called it Mirage War. Mirage War means war appears to be happening but never exists. According to Professor Young Hoon Kim, Cold War means the world of free economy and communism. It also means it is a tense and conflict between America and Russia. Cold War in general sense. In general, Cold War was nothing but a political war. There was no actual war between America and Russia, but there was very tense situation between them. They were encouraging other countries to follow their principles. As a result, there were small wars between countries of the world. The superpowers interfere by providing military and ammunition to follow our country and thus try to weaken each other's influence. For instance, America dropped atomic bomb on Japan and proved that it was the superpower. Russia also conducted nuclear tests successfully and proved that it was another superpower. Thus, during Cold War, there were neither war nor peace. In short, the Cold War suggests war fought in peaceful period without use of weapons.